Alright everybody, so we got the same track as last time. Goose is walking behind here filming me for some reason. We're just going to film the A mains this time because it's the same track as last time.
Alright, here we go! First A1 main for open. And we don't have tie. Alright, give us a thumbs up if you got good video. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we look good. First to 4 laps. Army quads on the tone in less than 5. We got a race. Oh! Smack! Right on the hurdle. Alright, first to 4. Arm your quads on the tone in less than 5. 4 up, 5 up, 5 through. We got it. On the under over. Into the diatone 8. Over the hurdle, into the tunnel. Through the dive gate we go. Over the dead tree. Coming back. Into the OC make, around the live tree, into the OC make curve. There we go, coming out in the front chute. On the chicane. Our leader laughing with a 28.63, followed by Q with a 30.59, or R3 with a 29. Q with a 30.95, Pie Man with a 33, Mad Mike with a 37. We got 1.21 seconds separating first and second place. All right, here comes Lappin with a 26.82. Q with a 27.120. R3 with a 30.89. Pie Man stepped it up with a 29.27. Lappin, third lap at 26.478. Fastest lap. Q with a 28.83. R3 with a 29.129. And then Pie Man with a 29. Oh, sorry, R3 with a 32.019. Pie Man with a 29.129. Here comes Lappin into the chicane.
First Lappin done.
Lappin takes that heat. 4 lap, 1 minute 50 seconds. Followed by Q with a 4 lap, 156. Pie Man with a 4.2. All right, guys. Here we go. Give me a thumbs up for good video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. On your quads, first to 4. On the tone in less than 5. Oh! Still flying. And leader's out on the hurdle into the tunnel. Down the dive gate. All right, we had Lappin with a 29.65, R3 with a 29.65.9, Q with a 30.090, Pie Man with a 31.516. This is Brady and Looper. Lappin with a 25.309, R3 with a 26.52, Q with a 27. Pie Man with a 27.79. We got 1.22 seconds separating our first and second place. 2 seconds separating first to fourth. Our leaders on the OCMA curve. Into the straight on the chicane. 28.69.
second.
Second place, Pieman with the 28,297. Q with a 31,808. And R3 with a 33,099. Oh, that was ugly through the dive gate.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
Laughing on the OC Mate curve into the front chute on the chicane. Laughing takes it to 27,170.
Second Q done.
Q takes second place with a 27,664, followed by R3 with a 28,777. And Pieman does not complete the round.
Good recovery. Yeah. I can't believe he's still lapping in the first, or passing the first
All
time.
right. Go get him, guys. And then he, all right, and Laughing. First place. Woo!
All right, so there it was. We finished out that race with the big old number 1. It's actually the first race I've ever won at a 5-inch race, so I'm pretty excited about that. I got the top qualifier and everything. So today was a pretty good day, so thanks for watching.